Join our Texture Club, a new way to beauty. We are there when you need us. We have reinvented the way you view multicultural salons, and now we are reinventing the way you pay. Our newest salon membership program will change the way you solve your texture challenges. With a personal stylist now at your disposal on a monthly basis, be prepared to experience amazing hair, amazingly more convenient. Your membership comes with up to 3 monthly maintenance experiences to help keep your beauty routine on track. Choose from our collection of texture services and wash day experiences, or have one of our texperts build you a hair routine for success. One affordable price to help you stay on budget. With prices starting as low as $49 a month, we are sure to have an option to fit your needs. Members also get early access to new product releases, members-only special events, priority booking times, and discounts on products, services, and add-ons. Current members have shown increase in hair health, hair growth, and overall hair confidence. Sign up now to experience a new way to beauty.